morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's my first voiceover. My video may be a little different this time, but first off, I want to thank you guys for the 400 subscribers. We are now at 400. We came a long way. To just try the voiceover just to see, what's going on. But today we're going to be cleaning some Jordan 11s, Jubilee. I think that's what they call it, I believe. So, yeah, first we're going to get our water. Our water already got the soap in it. Oh, never mind. We're going to put the soap in the water. Yeah, about 2 little squirts. That's rejuvenated, by the way. We're going to take the shoestrings out, get these shoe trees in, so we can get started on cleaning these. So, first, we're going to get like all the little pebbles and rocks at the bottom of the shoe. Anything like that, it'd be kind of hard trying to scrub them. Now we got our shoe tree in. We're about to get started. First, of course, we're gonna start out with our soft brush and attack the mids and the upper section. We can scrub all of that, all that dirt. Really, on black shoes, it's kind of hard to tell what's dirty, but it shows a significant difference at the end of, what you're cleaning. It's like when black material is like, you get like that gray look, like that ashy gray look. Normally that means that it's dirty. But if it's not that hard black, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not hard down, that's black. That's a sign that it's not clean all the way. But just a little bit of scrubbing to the uppers. A little bit of the mids. Now I'm switching to the medium brush. Medium get in a little deeper, but not harming the fabric of the shoe. Now, while that soap sits on the uppers and mid, try to break it down a little bit. We're going to tackle the inside of the shoe. Nothing too crazy. At least get the inside, feeling good, smelling good. It takes out any odors that you may have, just from wearing the shoe. Now, we're going to take the hard brush and take care of the bottom of the shoe. I ain't gonna lie, doing the voiceover not that bad. You ain't gotta deal with, that's looking in the camera. May have to cut out some clips. I could be RZA Kelly for real and just show y'all, what's going on. But yeah, though, tackling this bottom, you can get right with the hard brush. Take the brass brush and try to get like any other tough like scuffs that's like on the bottom of the shoe. I really recommend getting the brass brush. It kind of takes like a lot of stress off your hands from just using the hard brush and trying to really get like any like little deep scuffs off the bottom of your shoe. The brass brush kind of really gets in there and like scrapes it off. But luckily that it's the bottom. I do not use the brass brush like on like your midsoles or anything close to the uppers. That'll ruin the fabric. Pick at it. Gotta make it look like get that frail look. But stay on the bottom of the shoe when you're using this brass brush. Now we're gonna attack the soles of the shoe. Knock all that little dirt off. You ain't really gotta do too much with the sole of the shoe. Let's put a little soap in there, and the washing machine will take care of the rest of it. Really like washing like a pair of socks or something. I'm also making this video a day after Thanksgiving. This video has been ready since like about August though, September. I just never got around to, make my voiceover. But now we gonna dunk these shoestrings into the solution. Get the little dirt and dust out of there. Like I said, you're gonna wash every part of, dark shoes. Being that you may not can physically see it, but it's definitely dirt in there. Just a slight comparison. You can see like all that dust that I was talking about. You can see like the upper's like more dark. I know people might say that because it's wet, but even when you dry it and it's, and they get back right, it'll still be more darkened than the other side of the shoe. But yeah, that's the bottoms. And that's it. I would have done more put it in my ice box, but my client likes that vintage look at the bottom, so we just left it as is. Right here, some support appreciation. Thank you for getting me to 400. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. If you like my channel, if not, check out some of my other videos, see if you like it. But thank you all for your support, for getting me to 400 on the road to 500. We out.